What are the odds that would come loose right away? Alright, so we're out here on a JLG 12K telehandler today. Got everything rigged up and supported, and we're getting ready to take the cylinder apart. So you can see I already took a swing here and got the pin started with everything rigged correctly. The pressure comes right off that. Slide the pin out, suck the cylinder back in, the anchor out. Alright, Chris is all gloved up, ready to catch the pin. Got a ratchet strap on here just to keep the cylinder from falling because I'm using a smaller beater. Knock the pin through and then we can suck the cylinder in. More than halfway. Still going? Yeah, I should have got out my big boy hammer this time. What?
We're just now catching this edge.
Okay.
This edge. So we got that edge.
Cool. Wow. I'm getting winded. I'm feeling old and fat.
You're not really old.
What?
You're not old. It's almost...
Is it moving?
Yeah, it's still moving, dude.
My left hand's a little weaker. You know, the right hand's gotten a lot more workout over the years.
More than when you were a teenager.
Yeah, you know, marriage, 3 kids. Those things will happen. There she goes. Big boy pin's out. All right. Disconnect the grease zerk and suck her down. Despite all that grease, that was not very greased. I see you staring. Oh, perfect. Give me just a little bit more. Oh, that's some good looking oil there. A squirty squirty, eh? Wait for that to depressurize a little. Man. There it goes. Hooray! Everybody likes oil. We love oil. I got too many wrenches going. Should be right. Oh no, that's right. Gates, because you know Gates hose is so awesome. Okay. Little slippery. Little slippery. Good day to have the air conditioned cab. Did you do the "that's not going anywhere" slap? Squong.
Making my banjo. From the looks of that tip. Yep.
I'm just gonna need a much longer pin.
Unless it shoots out halfway through. About a half-inch past the collar.
Moving though?
Oh, hell yeah. Get like an 8 every hit.
All right, time to get a bigger pin. Hey Andy, try pulling it on your side. Oh, earmuffs. Bigger pin, bigger hammer.
Oh, yeah, now it's a 1/4 inch every hit. Alright, we're going to be getting close to over half. Might be close to being almost out of the cylinder already. Must be greasy.
Little hammer don't worky jerky, yo. I'm gonna need another pin.
I'm going to use the floss that we were using first.
Oh man.
Oh, there she goes.
Hey, I wonder if that was it falling out.
No, it's still in the hole, but it's not as deep. It's out.
I'll have to go up on the strap.
Oh, yeah, you definitely it's out.
Oh. Oh, the big pin remover. Ho ho ho. All right, cool.
Damn, that sucker gets hot there.
Can you guys believe that the exhaust on here is hot? Uh-oh.
Can't, the engine's not even running. What do you mean?
Well, it was. Getting that strap around there is not going to be fun.
Here, we got it on the non-heat side. Oh, you know what? There's a hole in the bottom. Drop it down.
Oh, there is. Watch out for the exhaust also down there. See my fingers?
There's the hole.
You'd know better than me.
Not my hole, your hole.
I think you have the Oop, gotta go under that. I think you have the wisdom of age on finding the hole, sir. Yeah, I don't want to name anybody specific. Maybe go around the outside. Yeah. I was wrong.
I thought I was wrong once, but I was mistaken.
I see what you did there. All right, go ahead. All right, hang on. There she is. I'm too short. Two good views in one shot. The backside of Andy. Oh man, what happened to your paint marker? Oh, now we're gonna have to paint the cylinder.